Hey everybody, it's Shanna P. Today I will show you how I usually trim my full bangs from this to this. This is very quick and easy. Let's start. Of course, you'll need a mirror and tie your hair into a ponytail, and we'll start sectioning our bangs. I prefer using a rat tail comb, but I can't find mine. Any pointy material, just like this pen right here, should be fine. So the main plan is to form a triangle in the center of our forehead. Length and base of the triangle depends on your preference. Peekaboo! Align your pen with your nose line and start locating the center of your forehead. This way we should be able to divide the triangle into two equal parts.
Need to color my roots.
Here we can decide how wide we want our base to be. I personally want the base to be narrow. I like my bangs to have shorter center and longer sides. Section away, and you just have to repeat the same process on the other side. Try to make your triangles as equal as possible. I like to section my hair this way because it really looks nice on a ponytail, and it also looks very cute when I'm wearing a headband. And if I part my hair sideways, the front bangs easily blends with the rest of my hair and it looks like I don't have full bangs. It's a really easy trick to change your look every day. Later, I'll show you how I do it. And I'm done!
Ta-da!
Spray a bit of water and gather your hair in the center, and we'll start cutting. Sure, the next step could be nerve-wracking, but just listen to my simple and easy instructions. We will use our thumb as our guide. It has a very nice slight curve, as you can see. Gather your hair, hold it firmly, and cut along the contour of your thumb. That easy. Are you ready? Okay, so I usually use the tip of my nose as a guide for my length, but you can do it shorter or longer. Keep in mind that your hair is damp when you do this, so it will be shorter when it's totally dry. It's better to have longer bangs because you can always trim it away. But if you make a mistake, remember, it's just hair. It will grow. And I'm done! Notice the curve? Easy, right? Next step is optional. I like my bangs to be a bit jagged, so I twist my hair from left to right and trim a few millimeters using a thinning scissor. Then I twist it from right to left and do the same process. Funny fact, my hair was all over the place because the electric fan was blowing into my face. Genius. And that's it! Style your bangs according to your liking, blow it dry to give it a nice shine and curl, accessorize and wear your cutest headbands. I hope you learned something and don't be afraid to give it a try. Tag me on Instagram if you decide to do this look. And just like what I mentioned earlier, you can part your hair sideways and easily hide your full bangs. See what I'm talking about? Completely different look in a few seconds. If you have any questions, just write it in the comment box. If this was helpful, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it to your friends. If you want to see more from me, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you next week. Bye!